There are more stars in the universe than grains of sand on every beach on Earth. Most of the stars you see in the night sky, they're in our galaxy, the Milky Way. Some stars are already dead. Their light is just now reaching us. The largest known star, UY Scuti, is over 1,700 times the size of our Sun. Light from distant stars takes millions of years to reach us. You're seeing the past. Stars don't twinkle in space. Earth's atmosphere makes them shimmer. Betelgeuse, a red supergiant, could explode in a supernova any day now. Galaxies collide. And yes, we're on track to crash into Andromeda in 4 billion years. Our galaxy is flying through space at 2.1 million kilometers per hour. A teaspoon of a neutron star weighs more than Mount Everest. There's a planet where it rains glass, sideways, at 5,000 miles per hour. One planet, 55 Cancri E, may be made almost entirely of diamond. Jupiter is so massive, all the other planets could fit inside it, with room to spare. A day on Venus is longer than its entire year. Saturn would float in water, if you had a bathtub big enough. WASP 76b is so hot, it rains molten iron. Some planets orbit 2 suns, like Tatooine in Star Wars. Mars has the tallest volcano in the solar system, Olympus Mons. Neptune's winds blow at over 2,000 kilometers per hour. On Uranus, daylight can last 42 years straight. Europa, one of Jupiter's moons, hides a salty ocean beneath its frozen crust. Saturn's moon, Titan, has lakes made of liquid methane. The moon is slowly drifting away from Earth, about 3.8 centimeters each year. Some asteroids are made almost entirely of metal, worth trillions. There's even an asteroid with its own moon. Pluto has a heart-shaped glacier made of nitrogen ice. Comet tails can stretch longer than the distance between Earth and the Sun. Mars' moon Phobos is falling toward the planet and will crash one day. Without the moon, Earth's tides and ocean life would be very different. The largest known volcano is not on Earth, it's on Mars. Time slows down near black holes. If you hovered close to one, minutes for you could be years for someone else. Some black holes spin near the speed of light. One black hole is 66 billion times the mass of our Sun. Fall into one and you'd be spaghettified, stretched into atoms. Black holes aren't rare. There could be millions in our galaxy alone. Time runs slower on Earth than in orbit. That's why GPS satellites adjust their clocks. A black hole with a powerful magnetic field can shoot jets of energy into space. You technically age slower if you move close to light speed. The center of the Milky Way hides a supermassive black hole. We may never fully understand what's inside the event horizon. The observable universe stretches 93 billion light-years across, even though it's only 13.8 billion years old. The universe is 95% dark matter and dark energy. We can't see or touch most of what's out there. Space itself can expand faster than light. There's a giant cold spot in the universe we can't explain. Some think it's a clue to another universe. Every atom in your body was formed in a dying star. We orbit the galaxy's center every 230 million years. The Sun makes up 99.8% of our entire solar system's mass. There's a water cloud in space 140 trillion times larger than all Earth's oceans. The Milky Way contains over 100 billion planets, and it's just one galaxy. The multiverse theory suggests this universe might be just one of many. So what do all these facts really mean? They remind us of one thing, that we are incredibly small and impossibly lucky to be here. Every night sky you've ever seen, every star you've ever wished on, every breath you've ever taken, was part of a cosmic story that began 13.8 billion years ago and is still being written. The cosmic microwave background is leftover light from the Big Bang, a 13.8 billion-year-old glow that fills the entire universe. It's the oldest light we can see. There's a star that pulses like a heartbeat, named V838 Monocerotis. This bizarre star expanded rapidly and then dimmed, puzzling astronomers with its light echo effect. Quasars are brighter than entire galaxies. Powered by black holes, these cosmic beacons can shine 1,000 times more brightly than the Milky Way. Some rogue planets drift through space alone, without a star. Billions of them may exist, silently floating in the darkness between star systems. The Sun flips its magnetic field every 11 years. This solar cycle can cause solar flares and magnetic storms that disrupt Earth's satellites and power grids. Gamma-ray bursts are the most powerful explosions since the Big Bang. They release more energy in seconds than our Sun will in its entire 10 billion-year lifetime. If Earth were 5% closer to the Sun, it would be too hot for life. 5% farther and we'd freeze. We live in a razor-thin habitable zone. If you shouted in space, no one could hear you. Space is a vacuum. There's no air and therefore no sound. Your body would boil and freeze at the same time if exposed to space. Without a suit, liquids in your body would vaporize due to zero pressure, while the rest would freeze. The James Webb Space Telescope can see galaxies formed just 300 million years after the Big Bang. It's our deepest look into the early universe. Like seeing baby pictures of reality itself, which fact blew your mind the most? Drop it in the comments. And if you want more mind-expanding videos like this, you know what to do. Like, share, subscribe, and keep looking up.